What's up, YouTube, man? Today's the day, man. We're gonna go ahead and get this car popping, man. Make it a little mean. Drop it down a little bit. Got a lip and a back diffuser. So, man, hey, so we up 2022, man. Let's get this car started going. Hey, yo, man. So y'all see how we ride? Y'all see how we pull up the P-top, man? We got 1, 2, 3 boxes and a bag with some stuff in it, but I'm gonna leave one of them boxes for later. I'm gonna just get 2 of these things put on for now, and we're just gonna go for them, man. So yeah, now they corrected the alignment on the car. Got all these cars up in there: the Tesla, GT500, and the GT350, lifted trucks, insides, but they really just got all the old schools out today. I'm about to show y'all the cat in a second. Y'all gonna see it. They normally have pressure, Lamborghini trucks, everything up in there. Y'all see how we coming? So it's the next day, man. You gotta get an oil change. The best way to get an oil change is to come get your own oil. Don't take that oil they want to give you, because they gonna charge you extra $50. I just called for the price. So got us some oil, and we also gonna get these other little 2 things put on the car, man. Today's a good day for a good day. So, man, y'all stay tuned for my day, and I'm gonna show y'all everything together, everything I did to this car in the last few days. Y'all know how we coming. I gotta go to Starbucks every time. Every time we gotta talk from Starbucks, man. It's been a minute. So we just got our oil change. It was on about $37 to get changed. As you can see right there. So car is done in the back. Alright, y'all. So we gotta get this camera lens repaired. We need a car wash definitely. Front lip put on. Back diffuser put on. You know, I'm gonna show y'all everything, man. Y'all seen I got it lower yesterday. I had that light on there. And y'all probably already peeped that intake. So yeah. Shit looks OEM as fuck. They had a Lamborghini up here. It looked like they're throwing a wide body on that scat. Shit, it's a slow day. The motherfucker hard. That's how you pull up. Motherfucking little knife. Said the things.
The rods, Matt, he was telling me them shit fly out. They'll cause the goddamn lip to actually goddamn go with it.
Oh.
But to be honest, I think the lip is real secure because they give you like 30 goddamn screws to use goddamn. So that motherfucker up. God, it's a bunch of goddamn screws they use to put it.
So it should be cool.
So yeah, I think that shit really straightforward.
Alright, but
they ain't gonna cap. Line them rods up, that shit ain't even look that right.
Ain't look right. Like the color of just the wide thing. I think it's because this lip got this extra thing.
Extra, yeah,
but I fuck with it though. I fuck with it more than that picture.
They be looking hard, but on that one,
I get a week before you tear that bitch up.
These two I be fucking shit up. I do be fucking shit up, though. I fuck everything.
But nah, I like that how the goddamn look came out. That double stack shit. The other one, it ain't got that shit. It's just that solid one.
Yeah, it's cool. I'm finna go throw that motherfucker diffuser on in a little bit. I lowered that bitch too. That motherfucker, right? That lower, bro, make it look so much meaner.
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah. This motherfucker, last stop, I pulled up on my boy. You see the scat? Scat, you don't know what it is. Got the SRT wheels on it with the Brembos. Check them out. Okay. Completely debadged. Don't play. We about to put this last thing on the car, then we gonna hit the gas station. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm done, man. I'm telling y'all, the smaller mods make a big difference. Yeah. All right, YouTube. So we just installed the diffuser, man. We about to hit the gas station in a second. And I'm gonna show y'all these last little 5 miles I did to the car, and I'm gonna show y'all the completed route time. Hit the gas. Put the intake in it with the JLT catch can, JLT intake as well. You gotta ignore me, man. Ignore it being dirty. When I had when this hose popped, man, it fucked me up. So I have a light up Hellcat badge, the carbon fiber diffuser. Splitter. The wrap's completely done. As well as if you come around to the back, you can see I throw a carbon fiber diffuser on there as well, man. You gotta pop that back in all the way. You can see it. So yeah, man. So for a reveal of the cat, you gotta ignore it being dirty, like I said. Had a busy day all day and had no chance to really do what I had to do. Appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more content. It's up for the rest of 2022, man. Make sure y'all show some love. Yeah, we out.